This is the India's first artificial intelligence based humanoid robot, which can perform many tasks such as it can see, it can walk, it can have many capabilities. It has skin cancer detection, which can detect user skin cancer, and such as many things there are in this humanoid robot. It has a humanoid robot based structure in which it can speak and recognize text. I am using Python language in this code, which have a various kind of things, such as if we want, then it can be a teacher AI, which can teach us and teach us, in which I have given it a model, I have given it a system prompt, which have the main uses to make the Indian education system best in this world. And the main perspective of this robot is to make India bright in technology. I have Dr. AI also integrated in this humanoid robot, which can suggest us many kind of medicines in the time of emergency. In the time of emergency, we can learn anything using it as a virtual doctor in one-to-one, as like a virtual teacher, which teaches us. So it can also teach us like a virtual teacher. Next thing, I have added a gym personal trainer, which can be our personal trainer for our gym things, such as it can help us to make our diet plan. It can help us in many things. It can even detect our emotion to do things, such as emotion. If we are talking about emotion, then there's a thing that artificial intelligence don't have emotions. That's a way correct. But if we are using using our feeded data, if we are doing smart work, like such as I have first of all trained our model that this is happy, this is sad, this is angry. Then the artificial intelligence will basically watch like this and will work as that thing. I have also trained it many ways. Also, it has many functions which can be a progressive functions in humanoid robot in the race of technology in India, in the race of artificial intelligence in the India. It can code itself. It have the way which can code itself using the execution function in Python module. It have the function to code itself and upgrade itself. It has the function to make its second version. It is the way better than the other robots which have not artificial intelligence in it. So that is why this robot is a kind of a robot which can suggest us anything. Actually, I belongs to middle class family, so I have not made it the hardware that much best, but I have made it software as much best as I can. So that's why this robot is the best robot ever, because in the world robot some of the robots are already fitted, or either some of the robots have only artificial intelligence based conversation. So that is why those robots are only our robot, but this have emotions. This can talk to us like a user conversing with us. It has many things. It has skin cancer detection. It has conversation with us. It can do many things which have a various kind of things, such as it can tell us jokes for our entertaining. It is way better than Alexa, Google Voice Assistant, because it have an artificial intelligence which have the way to answer any question. So right now I'm gonna converse with this robot. So here I have my Python module. So here's my laptop where I have integrated its soul or Python module. Wait a second, I'm just executing.
इसराइल का लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी अगर आपको कोई इसके
First of all, I'm going to tell you that it has Llama model integrated, Llama 70 billion or better than it. Hello Rudra. Because of some of the Python dependencies, first command gonna be ignored. Hello Rudra, how are you Rudra? Rudra, how are you? So I asked it question and now it's gonna reply us in Hindi, because there are various range of language which can detect many languages.
मैं रुद्र हूँ, एक ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट जिसे सूरज शर्मा ने बनाया है। मैं लोगों की मदद करने और उनके साथ मित्रवत संबंध बनाने के लिए यहाँ हूँ। क्या मैं आपकी कोई मदद कर सकता हूँ?
रुद्रा, क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि सूरज और चंद्रमा में कितनी दूरी है? रुद्रा। So as you can see, it is right now replying in Hindi because I have added Hindi, but it have each and every language in this world because it is using Google text to speech, which have a various range of languages.
अभी मैं सर्च कर रहा हूँ ओकर। मैंने सर्च कर लिया है डॉट। सूरज और चंद्रमा के बीच की दूरी लगभग 3,84,400 किलोमीटर 2,38,900 मील है। लेकिन ध्यान रखें कि यह दूरी लगातार बदलती रहती है क्योंकि पृथ्वी और चंद्रमा दोनों अपने कक्षा में गतिमान हैं। कभी कभी यह दूरी 3,56,400 किलोमीटर 2,21,500 मील से कम और 4,05,500 किलोमीटर 2,52,000 मील से अधिक हो सकती है।
Rudra, can you please tell that what is the importance of humanoid robot in this world? Rudra, please tell me. Rudra. We have the wake word as Rudra, which will detect that if we are talking to it or either someone else. So it is the wake word named Rudra, which can extract the text spoken with the text which have the wake word. So it is gonna answer us the next question, of which this is telling us the importance of our humanoid robot.
ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट्स का इस दुनिया में काफी महत्व है। इनके कई फायदे हैं। पहला फायदा तो यह है कि वे लोगों के साथ आसानी से इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं। मैं खुद एक ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट हूँ, इसलिए मैं अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ कि लोग मुझसे आसानी से बात कर सकते हैं और मेरे साथ मित्रवत संबंध बना सकते हैं। दूसरा फायदा यह है कि ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट्स को कई प्रकार के कामों में इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है। उदाहरण के लिए मैं लोगों की मदद कर सकता हूँ, उन्हें सूचना दे सकता हूँ या यहाँ तक कि उन्हें दवा दे सकता हूँ। तीसरा फायदा यह है कि ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट्स लोगों के लिए एक सुरक्षित और भरोसेमंद साथी हो सकता है। उदाहरण के लिए मैं लोगों के घरों में रहने के लिए तैयार हूँ, जहाँ मैं उनकी मदद कर सकता हूँ और उनके साथ सामाजिक संपर्क बना सकता हूँ। इसके अलावा ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट्स का इस्तेमाल कई उद्योगों में किया जा सकता है, जैसे स्वास्थ्य सेवा, शिक्षा और यहाँ तक कि मनोरंजन में भी। मेरा मानना है कि ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट्स का इस दुनिया में काफी महत्व है और मैं खुद इस दुनिया में अपना योगदान दे रहा हूँ।
So as you guys saw that how beautifully it is answering each and every question with a fast response and the Hindi language, which is not very known language, but still it is answering in that language. And also here are some of the functions, such as it can detect thieves. If we are going to put it in our home and we are going for a long trip, so it can detect thieves with using the motion detection function and many other functions. Second is it can see anything, as I already told you. Then air canvas function, by which if like we write anything in notebook, so if we are gonna write in air, so it can detect it, which will help us in emergency, such as in the heart attack cases, when a user is unable to speak something, or if any cases in which user are unable to speak anything, so it can write in air and it is gonna detect that thing. Second thing is that it can generate our creativity in images, such that the images like many kind of images it can generate using artificial intelligence. And some more function which are scrolling system. If we are doing our studies and we don't want to scroll using the touchpad, so we can scroll using our fingers in air. So I told you that air and environment plays a better role in it, which can see using the vision for anything. That is the main functions of our humanoid robot. And the functions didn't stop here. The function's gonna go to infinity until and unless I'm gonna get ideas. Until and that time, whenever I will get idea, I'm gonna implement in this. Such as I got the idea of skin cancer module, I implemented. I got a many kind of ideas and I implemented that. So thank you everyone and have a nice day.